all. Today we are going to learn about reading and analysis of the maps for 8th class lesson. In this lesson, we will discuss about maps down the ages. Means the history of the maps. Number of people, the countries they prepared that maps, how the development of the maps. So these are all we will discuss in this topic. Who prepared the earliest surveying maps in the world? Do you know? Sumerians. That Sumerian, the place, Sumerians, or Sumeria, the place which is belong to present day Iraq. So they prepared 4,000 years ago. Okay? How they prepared that maps and why they prepared that maps? They prepared the maps, the Sumerians prepared the maps. Clay only, they are using that clay. They imprinted on the clay tablets. Why they prepared that maps? The Sumerians, the ruled by the Sumerian people, ruled by the one person. He is known as Patesi. Patesi means Pozari, means priest. Generally we call priest. The priest only the rulers at the time. And temples had a great importance at the time. Temples had more number of land in the Sumerian. So that's why, so they wanted to know about how much land under control of that temples. So that's why they wanted to prepare the earliest maps. Sumerians only maps, not world maps. They are using clay. Next, who prepared that earliest surveying world maps? Who prepared it? Babylonians. Look at the board. Babylonians. In which year they prepared that? 2600 years ago, the Babylonians prepared that world maps. Where is that Babylonia? Present day it is also in Iraq place only. They thought that world was around this. They showed their country, Babylonia, in the middle or center of the map. I will show you this picture. Look at this. Babylonia. Okay. So in that, observe that circles are there and triangles also there in this triangles. So what are these? We'll discuss now. Inner circles are the cities. Inner circles are the cities. And smaller circles had that. Smaller circles, which is mainly what they know that. Mainly villages, mountains, and rivers and marshes. What they know. So all they are kept in that smaller circles. Beyond the inner circle, 7 triangular islands also there. They showed in that. And beyond that inner circle, it has a better river. Means it's known as a saltwater ocean. Now we'll discuss about Greek geographers. Look at this. Greek geographers. Similarly, around the same time, means 2600 years ago, the Greek geographers, so they discovered maps. Who are the main geographers? Greek geographers. Very important. There are important 3 persons are there. One is Anaximander. Another one is Hecataeus. Next, Herodotus. So these are all. In that Hecataeus belonged to that Miletus. At the time, Miletus. Now it is present day. It is Turkey area. Okay. Next, so the dividing that entire world, there are three continents there. Look at the board. What are the three continents? Europe, Libya, not Africa, Libya, next Asia. So Libya means present day, it is Africa country. Right? So they also thought that similar ideas like Babylonians only. World was around this, everything. So next, Romans. Who were Romans? A long history behind about Romans only. Roman history. So Romans were the traders and great kings also. Great empire also there, Roman Empire. It is very famous in that. It is in 9th class, we will learn that. So Romans, mainly the traders, they greatly interested in making the maps. Why? What happened? The traders, mainly they wanted to know the far off places, and that's why they needed maps. They also showed their Rome country in the middle. One of the important, Alexander. Who was Alexander? Alexander was a Greek king. He had a great desire also there. What it is? He wanted to conquer all the world. In this process, he came to India. Nearly 2200. He came to India 2300 years ago. Exactly. Alexander came to India in 326 BC. Right? When he came to India, first he fought with Ambi, Indian king. Without fighting, he lose that. Next, another person. He was also brave king, Indian king, Purushottam. So he fought with at the Jhelum river. He bravely fight against of the Alexander. So this is history about this Alexander. Next, Greeks. How they prepared that maps? We already discussed that main important Greeks are there. Anaximander, Hecataeus and Herodotus. Similarly, number of Greek geographers also there. They came, they interested. So they wanted to prepare again the world map. So with the help of, how they prepared that? With the help of longitudes and latitudes. How they prepared that maps? So they used that description. What is description? They sent some sailors to far away places from that, and they collect that information by asking the people and gathering information by observing the location and the particular terrain, means land area, so everything. By observing this, they wrote some descriptions, means some matter, information. According to the descriptions, they arranged that places, longitudes, where the midday occurred places, they arranged in the same line, it is called meridian lines, longitudes. Similarly, they arranged that latitudes also. In this way, they prepared one grid. Grid means what? The connection between latitudes and longitudes, where the latitudes and longitudes connect the place which is known as grid. Look at the board. This is called grid board. In this way, they prepared that maps. Finally, they prepared maps. It took nearly 2600 years to complete it worldwide. So next one, it is Arabs. 12th century, they prepared maps at the 12th century only, 12th century ago. At the time, Arabs also traders, they also wanted to trade with other countries, they wanted to occupy the other countries, they wanted to colonize the other countries, and finally Arab king ordered that all the map makers. So one of the map maker, an important map maker, Al-Idrisi, which belonged to that country. So he prepared that world map in the year 1154 for his king. And legends written in the Arabic language in the map. But he prepared the map. Some places are differently. They showed the map differently. Look at that map, how it is prepared. That they showed that all the south countries towards north. They showed that all the north countries or north places belong to south. This is next. Chinese. In 14th century, Chinese also wanted to prepare maps. China also great empire, so they also wanted to prepare the maps. In this process, Chinese king ordered to the Chinese cartographers. Cartographer means making maps. Who making maps? They are called cartographer or map makers. In that Chinese, Doming Han Yitu, he was great famous map maker from China. He started preparing map. He prepared the map for his king in the year 1389. How they prepared that maps? He prepared on 17 square meters silk cloth. Okay. So next, Bible. Before discovery of Ptolemy books, great famous scientist and great famous Greek geographer. Before discovery of the Ptolemy books, so all the people at the time, they were greatly interested about the religious books. At the time, mostly Christianity is more in the world. So at the time, they followed the book Bible. So in that account that Bible, so they wanted to account that Bible. So they showed one map, world map in that Bible. So how it is there? Account that Bible. So they showed that important countries in that, continents in that, important continents. What are that? Asia, Europe, and Africa also. But one important, Jerusalem. It is also very important. So Jerusalem is the place which is belong to Asian continent. So they showed that place in the middle of the world map. So why they showed that? Because it is important for that and a holy place for that to Christians, and also the birthplace of the Jesus Christ. That's why they showed their place, and also they are living that particular place in Asia. So it is also showed in the middle only. These are all three continents. They showed in that, surrounded by the Mediterranean Sea only. Okay. మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, అండ్ ఫైనల్లీ క్లిక్ ఆన్ ది బెల్ ఐకాన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.